How to care for your nail. Easy nail care tips. Transform your nails with our ultimate nail care routine. Learn how to achieve strong, healthy, and beautiful nail at home. This video covers everything from the best nail care and essential tools to expert tips for preventing breakage, promoting growth, and maintaining salon-worthy manicures. Discover the secrets to perfect nail care routine for stunning nail every day. Keeps nail shapes and free of snags by filling with an emery bound. Keep your nails healthy, smooth, and well groomed by regularly shaping them with an emery board. Filling your nails gently helps prevent snags, splitting, and breakage while maintaining a clean and polished appearance. For the best nail care routine, fill in one direction rather than using a back and forth motion, which can weaken the nail edges. Using a quality emery board also promotes a stronger nail support overall and hygiene, making it an essential tool for maintaining beautiful, healthy nail at home. Do not use your nail as a tool, such as opening of cans. Avoid using your nail as tools for tasks like opening of cans, scratching labels, or prying objects apart, as this can cause painful nail splits, breakage, and long-term nail damage. Healthy nail care habit help maintain strong, beautiful nail and protect the delicate nail bed from unnecessary stress. Instead of using your fingernails for every task, use small tools like bottle opener or clay rings nearby to reduce pressure on your nail. Practicing proper nail maintenance, moisturizing regularly, and avoiding excessive force can improve nail strength and prevent brittle nails, making your manicure last longer and your natural nails healthier over time. Protect your nails from water. Protecting your nails from excessive water exposure is an essential step in maintaining strong, healthy, and beautiful nails. Constant contact with water can weaken the nail structure, causing nails to become soft, brittle, and more prone to splitting and peeling. To improve nail health, wear protective gloves while washing dishes, cleaning or performing household chores that involve water and harsh chemicals. After washing your hands, dry your nails thoroughly and apply a nourishing cortical oil or moisturizing hand creams to lock in hydrations and prevent dryness. Following proper nail care habit and minimizing prolonged water exposure can help keep your nails stronger, smoother, and less likely to break. Trim toenails regularly. Regularly trimming your toenails is an essential part of healthy nail care and overall foot hygiene. Keeping toenail at the proper length helps prevent painful tip issues such as ingrown toenails, fungal infections, and nail breakage. For the best result, trim your toenails, spray circles using clean nail clippers, and avoid cutting them too short as it can cause discomfort and irritation. Consistent toenail maintenance not only keeps your feet looking neat and healthy but also reduces pressure inside shoes, improving comfort during daily activities. Adding regular toenail trimmings to your nail care routine can help maintain strong, clean, and healthy nails year round. When toenails are thick and difficult to cut, soak your feet in warm salt water. Soaking thick toenail in warm salt water is an effective and natural way to soften nails before trimming. Warm water helps loosen harsh, brighten toenails, while salt can help cleanse and repress the feet. For better nail care, soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes, then gently dry them before cutting your toenail with clean nail clippers. These simple tool care routines make thick toenails easiest to trim, reduce risks of cracking or splitting, support healthier, well-maintained nails. Avoid digging out ingrown toenails, especially if they are infected and so you should absolutely avoid digging out ingrown toenails, especially if they are already infected and sore. Attempting to aggressive cut away the bedded nail border with unspread clippers or tweezers using backfires, pushing bacteria deeper into the delicate skin barrier. This under the hood digging frequently leads to worse ingrown toenail infections, severe redness and swellings, and increased pain. Instead of risking a costly trip to the doctor for a severe infections, opt for safe, conservative at home ingrown toenail relief like warm Epsom salt soaks, proper spread across nail trimming, and letting the nail grow out naturally. If your toe remains highly inflamed, instantly sore, skip the home remedies entire and consult a podiatrist for professional pain-free treatment. Wear shoes that fit properly. Wearing shoes that fit properly is one of the most overlooked yet vital aspects of essential nail care and foot health. When you slip into tight, narrow, or poorly fitted footwear, you subject your feet to constant frictions and pressure. This repetitive trauma can lead to painful conditions like ingrown toenails, where the edge of the nail grows directly into the surrounding skin, causing inflammation or infection. Furthermore, cramped toe box restricts blood circulation and can cause toenail trauma, resulting in Unsightly brushing, thick nail, or even nail lifting. To maintain strong, healthy toenails, always measure your feet later in the day and opt for shoes with a wide toe box that allows your toes to wiggle freely. This fundamental step in your daily nail care routines to prevent long-term damage. Wear slip flops at the pool and in public showers. Prioritizing proper nail care goes far beyond regular manicures and polishes. Start with protecting your feet in shared spaces. You should always wear the slip flops at the pool and in public showers to shield your feet from highly contagious pathogens. Damp environment like locker rooms, public pools, and communal showers are breeding grounds for fungi and bacteria that cause stubborn infections like toenail fungus and atlas foot. Working barefoot in these areas allow microscopic fungi to easily penetrate the nail bed, leading to brittle, discolored, and thick nails that are difficult to treat. Incorporating protective footwear into your foot care routine acts as a vital barrier, preventing infections before they start and keeping your natural nail care strong and healthy. The best time to trim your nail is immediately after taking a bath or shower. If you want to achieve a flawless salon quality manicure at home while preventing painful splitting, the secret is all in trimming. The best time to trim your nails is immediately after taking a bath or shower. Prolonged exposures to warm water hydrate the nail plate, make your fungates and toenails significantly softer and more pliable. After stepping out of the shower, gently part of your hands or feet dry. Grab a sharp pair of sanitized nail clippers and trim your nail spray circles to maintain optimal nail health and strength. Moisturize after trimming to help keep your nails flexible. Trimming your nail is essential for maintaining their shapes and preventing painful snage, and the clipping process actually puts a tremendous amount of stress on the nail blade to prevent false trims splitting and peeling. The ultimate insider's request to moisturize immediately after trimming. Clipping creates microscopic fractures along the nail edge. Applying a nourishing cuticles oil or a rich hand cream seals in essential hydration and locks down those fresh edges. This simple steps keeps your nail flexible and resilient against daily wear and tear rather than brittle and prone to breakage. For the best results, look for hydrating ingredients, vitamin E and stays strong, healthy and beautiful flexible. In the next tutorial, I will bring you daily routine and skincare routine English tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.